I am no longer accepting what I cannot change. I am now changing what I cannot accept. Guys, it's December 4 and I'm writing something. So, in here, I have here the plans to improve myself. Ikaw lang ang makakapagpabago sa sarili mo. So, choice mo yan kung magbabago ka or hindi. Who do you want to be? Do you want to be like that for others to see? Or dahil gusto mo talaga? Guys, I saw somewhere saying na if they love their life, they won't judge yours. So I'm getting ready for school. We have our school fest today, pero hindi ako makaka-attend dun kasi I have an event sa church. May mga artists na pupunta sa school namin. I won't be able to see them, but that's okay. There's always gonna be next time. Now let's put on mascara. I'm using the dual-ended mascara from JMCY. Tagal na rin to sa akin. Kailangan ko nang bumili ng bago. There we go. Lipstick to from Maangge. Basta, maganda to. Pero, I'm planning to buy another shade. Without. Let's go. It's very cute. Bye. Ingat po. Guys, kung gusto nyo mag-glow talaga, aside from asikasuhin nyo yung mental health nyo, water therapy. Kaya, bumili na rin kayo ng gantong sippy cup kasi sobrang convenient niya. Highly guys, highly. Hindi to wala, mahal yun. Highly. super nagtitry ako na mag-dissociate from social media or from the internet. I want to keep reminding myself na not everything should be posted. Not everything should be known to people. May mga bagay talaga na sa'yo lang. And as long as nag-enjoy ka or you have experienced something, kahit hindi mo man yan i-post, hindi ka pa rin lugi dun. Kahit hindi yun nakita ng ibang tao. Kasi ikaw naman yung naka-experience eh. It's okay. Kahit hindi ka maka-keep up to what is trending. What matters is your peace, your happiness, kung ano yung mga mahalaga sa'yo. Kasi nga, magkakaiba tayo ng mga bagay na pinapahalagahan. It's okay kung gusto mong palagi kang updated kasi that's where you find your peace, that's where you find your joy. I have to clean my mind kung ano na bang mga natututunan at nafe-feed ko sa utak ko through social media and hanapin kung ano nga ba talaga yung mahalaga sa life, kung ano dapat yung mga bagay na feed ko sa utak ko. So, I'm using this light pala. And that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end. And, konti lang yung clips nun kasi half ng December lang yung nalagay ko kasi hindi na ako nakapag-continue since nasira yung camera na ginagamit ko to film. And that's it. I'm ending the vlog here and see you guys next time. Bye!